The production schedule area is primarily to, again, look up the status, see where everything is at in the sequence of events. So the sequence of events starting with a ballpark estimate and moving to the right. And of course, as you're just changing the statuses of these projects or these rooms in the procedures, they will be moving through this sequence of events. And you will see here that we actually do have a dollar sum, and you can see there it's telling you what it's summing up. It's the room price. And so you can kind of see where your money is stuck. If you start looking at this, it looks like we got 41,715 there. And if we start moving a little bit to the right, we got 22,960 in engineering. And then you see there is an option to show more columns. It only shows so many columns. 25,000 there, 13,000 in the hardware, 13,736, 20,000 in installation. So you could get a real sense of where your money is stuck by just scrolling through this production schedule to see where everything is at. And you also could see we have a lot of things in engineering, so maybe engineering, it's not as much money as one of those earlier columns, but it is a lot of rooms sitting there, so maybe the engineer needs a little more help. But seeing where rooms and projects are in that sequence of events is very helpful. And that is it for production schedule.